Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss a quick practical Microsoft Teams tip. If you've ever wanted to communicate during a Teams meeting without interrupting the speaker, the in-meeting chat is your best tool. Here's exactly how to use it. First, join your Microsoft Teams meeting, either through your meeting link or your Teams calendar. Once you're in, look at the meeting controls at the top of your screen. Find the speech bubble icon, that's the show conversation button. Click it and the chat window will open on the side of your screen. At the bottom of that window, you will see a text box. Type your message here. It could be a quick question, a useful link, or feedback for the group. Once you are happy with it, hit the send button or press enter. Your message will instantly appear in the chat for all participants to see. If you'd like to close the chat and focus fully on the video or audio, simply click the show conversation button again. The window will close, giving you a clean meeting view. And that's it. You can now easily send and manage messages during any Microsoft Teams meeting without missing a beat. Keep this trick handy to boost your collaboration game in every call.